What is up, guys? VR&R back today, and today we're doing part 3 on the CT70 restoration. I've already got a coat of the paint I put on last night. I'm going to be wet sanding this paint. We're going to be doing another coat. We're going to be clear coating this with 2K clear, wet sanding that probably, and we're going to try and get this thing as professional looking as we can possibly get it. And maybe we'll start doing some work to other parts today. So let's get right into it, guys. So as you guys can see, we got the paint looking pretty good. I painted it last night and it was only about 55 degrees, so the paint was very thin. We got some runs. Not too worried about that right there. I'm still going to wet sand it, but we got a lot of runs right here. And then on this side, there's one there, and then a little bit of splatter too from the paint. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and start hitting this. We're going to hit this with probably 800, maybe 1200, and then just work our way up. Dry it off, and then we're going to do another coat. All right, we got all the runs wet sanded out of the paint. And now we're going to go ahead and get ready to prep this for a third coat of paint. All the runs are gone. Looking pretty good. All right, guys, we got the frame all wet sanded. We got all the runs out of it. We got the paint all roughed up. And now we're going to go ahead and do this third coat. What I'm using here is just this Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer gloss white. I've had really good luck with this stuff. It sands really well. So, yeah, let's get right to it. I know I should be using a respirator, but better than nothing, right? All right, we have the third coat of paint laid down. I'm gonna let that tack up a little bit. And for now, we're gonna go ahead and move on over to doing the triple tree. Probably throw another coat on the swing arm and our headlight bracket. Well, we have all our parts with their third coat. This one's on its second coat. Swing arm's all coated. Triple tree's painted. It needs another coat. The frame, I think we're good on the white paint. Now I just have to wait for this paint to harden. And then I'm going to go ahead and wet sand it. And we're going to get to clear coating. It's looking pretty good, though. They got very good coverage on everything, inside and out. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm not totally sure how long it's going to be. I'm pretty sure it's pretty short, so bear with me. I don't really want to watch paint dry, but on the next video, we'll get to clear coating these, and then we'll get to doing the fun stuff, like putting the decals on and everything, and start assembling this bike. So, have a good afternoon, guys, and enjoy Friday.